Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening your cloud storage app on the PC and signing in. Go to Settings or Account to view storage used and remaining. Look for a clear indicator such as 15 GB used of 100 GB. Scan the list of folders sorted by size to find folders larger than 1 GB. Check file modification dates and flag files older than 30 days for review. Finally, open the trash or recycle bin and confirm how long items remain before permanent deletion. Next, sort your cloud files by size so the largest items appear first. Select files larger than 500 MB or 1 GB and decide to delete or move them to local backup. Run a duplicate finder tool inside the cloud app or on your PC to remove repeated photos and documents. Expect to recover 10% to 30% storage from duplicates in many cases. After choosing deletions, empty the cloud trash to permanently free space right away rather than waiting 30 days. Finally, optimize sync settings to prevent unnecessary uploads and downloads on your PC. Turn on selective sync and choose only essential folders to keep locally while offloading others to the cloud. For old projects, archive files to a local drive or an external 1 TB disk and remove them from cloud storage. Consider upgrading your plan only if cleanup cannot free enough space. Compare 100 GB versus 1 TB pricing and choose the option that matches your monthly or yearly needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.